What if everything you believe about human nature is wrong? Are we born as completely blank slates, shaped entirely by society, culture, and parenting? Or do we enter the world with built-in tendencies, instincts, and psychological wiring that influence who we become? In The Blank Slate, cognitive psychologist Steven Pinker challenges one of the most powerful ideas in modern thought and invites us to rethink what it truly means to be human. The central argument of this book is bold yet grounded in science. Humans are not born as blank slates. For centuries, many philosophers promoted the idea that the mind begins empty and that all knowledge, personality, and behavior come entirely from experience. Pinker argues that modern research in psychology, neuroscience, genetics, and evolutionary biology paints a very different picture. While environment and culture clearly shape us, we are also born with certain emotional tendencies, cognitive structures, and personality traits. These are not rigid destinies, but built-in frameworks that influence how we think, feel, and act. So why did the blank slate idea become so popular in the first place? Pinker explains that it was not just a scientific theory, it was also a moral and political ideal. If all humans are born the same, then differences in achievement or behavior must come from social conditions, which means society can be redesigned to create fairness and equality. The blank slate concept offered hope, progress, and the promise that human beings could be molded into anything. While these intentions were noble, Pinker warns that denying human biology entirely can lead to unrealistic expectations and flawed policies. Ignoring human nature does not eliminate it, it simply prevents us from understanding it. Pinker presents compelling evidence from evolutionary psychology, showing that the human mind evolved to solve survival problems faced by our ancestors. Certain fears, social behaviors, and emotional reactions appear across cultures, suggesting that they are part of our biological inheritance. For example, humans naturally form social hierarchies, respond strongly to fairness and injustice, and develop close bonds within groups. These patterns are not random, they reflect deep evolutionary roots. Behavioral genetics adds another layer of evidence. Studies of identical twins raised apart reveal striking similarities in personality, preferences, and even life choices. Despite growing up in different environments, many twins share remarkable traits, indicating that genetics plays a significant role in shaping who we are. This does not mean environment is unimportant, but it demonstrates that our starting point is not a blank page. Neuroscience further supports this idea. Brain imaging studies show that specific mental processes are linked to specialized regions of the brain. Language, emotion, reasoning, and memory are not scattered randomly. They operate through structured neural systems. This suggests that the mind has an inherent organization, shaped by biology long before cultural influence begins. One of the most important sections of the book addresses the fear that acknowledging human nature might justify inequality, reduce free will, or excuse harmful behavior. Pinker strongly rejects this concern. Understanding that behavior has biological components does not mean we are prisoners of our genes. Instead, it allows us to design better social systems. If we recognize natural tendencies such as competition or tribal loyalty, we can create institutions that channel them productively rather than pretending they do not exist. Knowledge of human nature empowers responsible action. It does not undermine morality. Ultimately, the message of the blank slate is about balance. Humans are neither fully programmed machines nor completely shapeless clay. Nature and nurture are not enemies, they work together. Our genes provide tendencies and potential ranges, while our environments shape how those potentials are expressed. Biology influences us, but it does not dictate every outcome. Culture matters deeply, yet it operates within the framework of our evolved minds. The powerful takeaway from this book is that understanding human nature does not limit us, it clarifies us. It helps us accept our strengths, manage our weaknesses, and build more realistic expectations for ourselves and others. You are not an empty slate waiting to be written upon. You are the result of millions of years of evolution combined with your unique experiences. True progress does not come from denying who we are. It comes from understanding our nature and working with it wisely.